But ow, ouch. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Today we're checking out the Rene Herse Fleecer Ridge tire set that just came in the mail. I put these on the other day. I was actually able to get about 5 or 6 miles in on the D&L trail down in Jim Thorpe, Pennsylvania, if anybody's ever been there. Nice little town, check it out. But I could tell right away this bike is super fast on trails and on dirt. You know, I was riding over some really squishy stuff that I never would have been able to do on the track, or with the 38s I was running on the track anyway. But yeah, anyway, today I'm at a local mountain bike park. I'm just zipping around here on the single track. There was even some stretches of like grass trail when you first get in. They kind of lead you off into the woods where the real trails are. But I was just breezing right over it with no problem. This bike is super quick. If anything, I think I do need to decrease my tire pressure. I'm not going to mess with it though on this ride, but I am kind of sliding around a little bit, getting a little squirrely in some of those turns. Anyway, getting used to the setup. This is not a tubeless setup, guys. I did put tubes in there. I just trust tubes more than tubeless. Yeah, still need to pick up some water bottles. Thankfully, this park has like a bunch of loops. It kind of loops back through the parking lot, and I got a gallon water jug, or pick up the bottles I'm going to be using specifically for the trip. First impression right out of the box, this is a super quality tire. It just feels right. It just feels like it should. I've heard these tires wear a little bit quickly, but I don't know. We gotta try it out. I really plan on running these tires all spring, and so I might have to pick up another set when I actually do go out to ride the divide, so I don't know. Anyway, I'll be out there in July, guys. Got a lot of training to do. Get the aero bars on there, and I lifted them up a bit, and there's really no learning involved. I thought I would have to like learn them, but you know, you just put them on, you just get on there. It's a super comfortable setup. Let's get to the trail, guys. Let's see what these tires can do. Warming up quick today, guys. These trails are just amazing. Tires are handling fantastic. Very smooth. I'm rolling over everything. Roots, rocks. I'm just blasting right through. But Beautiful day here. It's gonna be 64 degrees here. Spring has come, my friends. All right, guys, finishing out today on the D&L trail here in the Lehigh Gorge State Park. Just excellent tires. I can't speak highly enough of them. They handle the trail really well, single track as well as rail trail, gravel, and fantastic on the pavement, really smooth. And I think I was going faster than I normally do. Very happy with the purchase, and I think these tires are going to work out well for me. Yeah, I mean, I was on all, I think, every terrain you can ride on. I'm even hitting some ice and snow here on the D&L trail. And these tires are just moving right over it. See if you can see the... can't see the river from here, Lehigh River. They were great today. I mean, I had them on every terrain you could think of. Everything worked well. And that bike is super smooth as well. It's a lot of fun to ride. At first, it was definitely weird going from drop bars to flat bar, but having a lot of fun with the aero bars and getting to know this bike a lot better. A big percentage of the bags I'll be taking on the Divide trip with me. Still debating whether or not to get the frame bag, but I don't know if I can get all my gear on this setup. You know, I don't have anything on the front. And no barnacles on there to hook anything on, but there are a few solutions to that I know of. I'm gonna go ahead and get the Revelate Design Sweet Roll on and start jamming gear in there and see what I can fit in. Today was a lot of fun. Beautiful day here. I rode a lot of trails. Stay tuned, guys. Everything I'm doing now is basically towards the Divide trip and getting ready for that trip. So all the videos coming up basically are going to be about gear I'm taking on the Divide, or, you know, training for the Divide basically. I wouldn't mind start cranking off some big days, some big mileage days with riding, you know, pavement, gravel, rail trails, single track, you know, whatever I can find. Just kind of like a multi-course kind of ride. So I've been planning a few of those. But anyway, thanks for staying tuned, guys. We'll catch you on the trail.